Today we are doing some medieval doom metal. Yes, Apocalypse Orchestra released a new record in February 15 to be precise, called A Plague Upon Thee. And they did quite a stir because they have like this seriously epic sound scale with this doom metal aspect. A lot of epicness, a lot of like details in terms of medieval folklore and everything. Obviously the plague, as said in the record title. And I'm checking out Virago of that particular record. And yeah, let's jump just straight in and see what this is all about. But I'm expecting a lot of greatness and a lot of epicness. So let's go. Pretty long song, over 9 minutes or so. That's how doom metal is basically done. Slow upbuilding, native instruments or folklore instruments. Hurdy-gurdy for those who don't know this particular instrument. I think some serious, not Viking, but Scottish, Celtic elements here. Choir elements coming in. Getting ready for battle, apparently. Again, very epic. That's a pretty beautiful chorus. Gregorian chant inspired vocals. Very interesting. I mean, same with the previous record. Chorus, I guess. Getting a hurdy-gurdy soul, kind of. Such a cool instrument. Such a great chorus. It's very heavily focused on the Gregorian folkish vocals. Solid, a very, very solid, maybe for some a bit slow paced doom. I mean, doom metal is nothing, well, not necessarily always fast, or it is dragging. It gets to you, and especially this band, even on the previous record, they did a lot, like they focused a lot on the Gregorian folk elements, and I feel like it might sound a bit weird, but honestly, except the folk instruments, the rest is kind of put a bit into the background. It's not the main focus of the band. It's really about storytelling, and again, the vocal layers and the different elements they bring into their chanting. So it's something different. Obviously, it's not everybody's cup of tea. Personally, I feel like this is it's probably a continuation of their previous work. It's pretty solid. I like it. I have to get used to it, obviously, and need to check out the entire record. But not for every day, but for those who like these kind of things, I'm sure there are so many bands out there who do similar stuff, if it's medieval oriented, Celtic, Viking, whatever. But you feature native instruments, or folk instruments, you got my attention, basically. So that's it for today. We see each other again for the next reaction video or podcast episode. Who knows what is happening? We have kind of a free schedule nowadays, so free and easy. So see you very, very soon. Cheers.